Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We are on Monday the 26th of September 2022. Surprisingly quiet across crypto markets over the past few days. Certainly just taking a step backwards, you would say. Usually crypto is making headlines with its volatility, the size of the moves, but it's been the British pound which is behaving more like a crypto than anything else. Earlier on today in the early hours of the Asian trade, 4.7% move to the downside on the British pound, which seems pretty small compared to some of the moves that we do see when the likes of BTC get going. You can wipe out 10% in a matter of a few hours. But interesting, we've been holding up quite well. I think signs are positive there for bulls. But I'll just point out a few things for you, which my colleague Charlie has said in the chat. Charlie reckons it's a pretty dangerous place right now. He says that currently leveraged longs are at their maximum levels, and at the same time, 10-year-old Bitcoin wallets have started to sell Bitcoin into the lows. Let's just say the more experienced traders who own these 10-year Bitcoin wallets have built up short contracts above selling coins into the lows would be very beneficial for the said bears. Interesting comments from Charlie. We haven't really seen that kind of selling though reflected in price action, I must say, but quite interesting if we do see breaks of these key levels, because you can only imagine, I mean, with the support that we've got in place here around the 1800s, 17600s, if this area does go, you can imagine there'll be a lot of stops in and around here, a lot of leverage longs, and you'll see some really sharp moves down. You know, when you see support levels go, you see some really sharp aggressive moves. Might be in line with the likes of the Fed and equities, to say that. I mentioned to one of my friends this morning about the direction of BTC, and I said, well, I'm watching quite closely where the S&P is, the Nasdaq, because if those lows go from June, so the June lows I'm talking about in equities, then that might signify another leg down in equities, and of course that might then play into another leg down for cryptos. So that's basically where we are at. But as I said, pretty quiet, if anything, just contracting a touch. You can see Bitcoin just leveling off here. It's been pretty flat over the course of the past week. No real change in price. Key levels remain the same. The biggest mover has been Ripple. Ripple has been pretty volatile, and it's been a while until we've been able to say that, to be honest. It's been a pretty quiet period for Ripple lately. Range trading between 38.70 and 30 cents, basically. We've seen a rejection of 50 cents though, so far, just pausing if anything. We've seen a move down today. I think the key area which needs to hold now for bulls is going to be around this 0.4445, but definitely 0.3870, 0.4. So around that area there, this area here where you saw the breakout, where you saw the range highs, that area is pretty key to hold. We are trading quite a bit above there now though, so initially I'd like to see it hold above 0.4445. Pretty much it from mine for today's crypto session brief. I'll see you inside that crypto chat. Until next time, all the best for your trading, and bye for now.